Alright, hello. Welcome back to another video on Hurricane Florence. And it's not looking pretty good. There's like huge huge gust of winds every now and again, and we have a bunch of leaves scattered around our yard. And Mom, how you feeling?
Fat.
You're not fat. But yeah, we also have Nova here, and me and Nova just raced, so she is very worn out. You guys want to see something really disgusting? She slobbers literally everywhere. Put your tongue away. Yeah. Like, she slobbers everywhere. And our plans, if an emergency goes down, mosquitoes, which if one does, we are gonna get in the closet, bring all of our needs in there, phones, blankets, everything. We're gonna bring that all in there and just chill in there until the storm's over. We're ordering food, which you've already ordered that. So mosquitoes everywhere. And I think there's cars passing by just to like leave, like get away from the hurricane, which we're staying here. We are standing around. Yes. I also have a
Did order something for Josh and Calvin, but if Josh has to pay us,
a little reward, little review. So basically, let us taketh you there. I also have a little katana that I got, but here it is. This is a little bit of it. This is just a little training one. So, yeah. Here it is. It is massive. It is very, very, you know what? I got another place that we could put it. Alright. So humongous. Alright.
flies need to leave.
Yeah, they do. Here it is. There to there. Big plastic sword. Not the foam one that I've been talking about. It's plastic. And you could probably hear people boarding up their windows and stuff. But yeah, look at this thing. It's massive. Oh. Whoa. Yeah, but then again, we will have a little bit of rain and big gusts of winds like that over there. We have leaves that'll go everywhere, and I'll probably have enough work to do around here to get that sword that I've been talking about. The foam
I am
that is
absolutely sure
looking.
I ordered from the place by Burger King, and I did get you a large stromboli. I promise. With pepperoni, ham, the meat one that you like.
Ah! I got bit by something. Fun. But yeah, that's about all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will probably see you all in the closet when Hurricane Florence arrives. Which, when does it arrive? 8 o'clock?
I'm not sure, son.
She's not sure, son. But, yeah, there's some more people boarding up their windows over there. But,
We're just chill for now.
yeah, we're just chill for now. Like she said, but can you tell them our plan?
If things get bad, we're going to go to our closet where we have a very big closet where we can relax in there because it's protected by 2 doors and it's in the middle of the house.
Yeah. So, we should be okay. More videos should be coming out after this hurricane. There's another giant big gust of wind. Yeah, so we'll just have like giant gust of winds like that. And it drizzled a little bit. So, doesn't it come at 8?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it comes at 8. But, yeah, there will be the hurricane. What the heck? The hurricane will be coming at 8, I'm pretty sure. More people boarding up their windows, but on that note, we'll probably see you guys in my closet with my whole entire family. My father will probably be scared. I will be scared. Joshua, not so much. Josh would just be like on his phone. And Mom, what would you be like? Jeez! Look, my hair back. Will you be scared? No? Okay. She's not gonna be scared, but because it's just video, see you in the next one. We'll probably be in the closet, and after that, probably be the next day, and the hurricane will still be here. And then after that, probably be able to make some money and get the phone sold. But for now, we have this. It's like a Halloween. We're getting the Halloween aisle. Yep, they're already selling Halloween items. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you all in the next one. God bless. Be safe out there. If you're at the beach in North Carolina, be really, really safe because it's crazy down there right now. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.